pine bark beetles tend to hit at this time within the summertime and the late fall. These pine trees here are probably about 30 to 50 years old. Not sure about the exact date, but around campus, a lot of beetles traveled through either like the hurricane winds that was here last year that damaged all these pine trees. This is an ongoing project, and if you look further behind me, there's some other live oak trees that were transplanted.